Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video I will explain about the Docker image, and the first we want to do is ask ourselves the question, what is the image? If you have working with the virtual machines before, you can think about images like a CD you mount for the virtual machine so you can install the operation system. But in Docker the image is much more. It's basically an application you put down to an image. So when you pull down an image from Docker Hub, then you already here is ready to run the application when you have setting up the container. In this video I will explain a little bit more about the basic commands for Docker image, and I will show how you can pull down images. So let's going for the Docker Hub. You can see it here in the URL here, and then go and click to the explore when you're going for the site. Remember to be logged in. I'm logged in as Paris NK. So now the next step we want to do is search for nginx, and we have it here, and going for nginx and going for the terminal and type docker pull nginx. If you want tags, you can define the version after this colon, and normally I want to say last, because then I know I get the last version, but if you don't use last, it will always take the last. And now if it's downloading the Docker image, you can see, and we have the last version of nginx, so let's repeat it a little more. We want the Apache, so docker pull httpd without last. We want to download the Apache, and then we want docker pull Postgres is the database too. And when we have all of this down, it depends on your internet connection. It could take a little while. Then we want to pull MySQL, and I love to work with the 5.7 version, so that's the version I want to download down. Now the MySQL is downloaded, finished, and we are ready to look up images, like what image did we have on the Docker and how it's look like. So you can type docker image ls, and you can see all the images here. You can see we have the tag lasted, and that's meaning if we build up the container with nginx and this image has been updated, then it will automatically be download a new version of this image. And then we have Postgres, and we have all four images pulled down. We have the images ID here. You use it when you want to delete it, and how big sizes on the hard drive you use for the images. If you don't want to say docker image ls, you can just say image. It's the same command, just shorter. So let's try to remove image. Let's starting to remove the httpd. It's the Apache image. You can do this just to type docker image remove rm, and then the Docker image. In the Docker world, you can type the hash, or you can say the first letter. In this case, we only have one image with D, so you can say remove D, and you have removed all the images about this image to build it. So if you do it again, Docker images, you can see the Apache image is gone. But of course you can say docker image rm and use the full length. Let's say this one, and remove it, and going up again. Let's download nginx again. if you need the shorter version of the Docker image remove, you can just say Docker remove image, RMI. It stands for remove image. And before we do this, I need to see the tag here. So Docker, and then here, and then we removed Docker image Nginx again, sorry. And we have one more. It's we want to remove all the images we don't use anymore. Like over time you will download a lot of images because the versions changed, and depends on your tag, you will get up in a lot of trash. So if you want to clean up, you can just say Docker image pure, and then say everything. And it's asked about, you want to destroy everything that's not used anymore. I'm gonna say yes, and we can say Docker images, and we have nothing anymore. That's everything from me and about Docker image. I hope you enjoy this video, and remember, you can follow me on here on YouTube. Just press on the subscribe button. It's in the right corner below with the ding. If you have any questions about this video, or you have some feedback to me, please make a comment below. I hope you want to share it with your friends, and of course give it a like if you like this video. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you next time, and I hope you want to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.